Okay, this is day 2 of the sawmill build. Got these little casters set up. It's nothing supported on the bottom, it's still wobbly, but that's just a start. We have the winch here also. That's just, nothing's permanent. See what the sun is. We got our raise the buoy, no problem. We're putting some reinforcements in. We got a lot to do. Rolls quite well, if I do say so myself. I just made these little casters here out of pulleys, and then I put a bearing inside with a nut and bolted it under there. I don't know if you can see that. It's all just tacked together for now.